you can receive anything that comes towards you in many different ways. The yogic intention always is to receive it from the higher aspects of your life. You know there is anahata, which is the meeting of two triangles. Below that is Manipuraka, Swadhisthana and Mooladhara, which are all chakras representing different aspects of survival process. Survival, basic survival, reproductive process, maintenance process, all survival related. Here it comes, and there are two triangles intersecting each other, because this is ultimate ecstasy, this is realization, this is power, this is love, and these sections, these triangles intersecting. When there is a consecrated space, what it means is, there is a powerful energy which has the possibility of transforming. That energy must come to you always from the highest possibility that you can receive. You can receive from your Sahasrar, it would be too fantastic. That is the reason, the moment any Indian person goes into a temple, first thing is, they want to expose this. But fundamentally it is still there, that when you go to any consecrated space, you're like this, because you wanted to enter here, you want to become blissful, ecstatic. Doesn't work, at least peacefulness and realization. So essentially you want the upper part of your body, above anahata, to be exposed to this. You don't want to sit with your legs open like this in front of a consecrated space, because that will attract a totally different kind of energy towards you, and that will work for you in a completely different way, which is not necessarily beneficial to you, it could be detrimental to you in many different ways. That's a reason when you sit in any space where you think there is power, there is energy, you always cross your legs and sit, because you want to close the lower part of the body. Even food, I'm telling you, if you sit in front of food, one advantage you have is there is a table between you and the lower parts of your body. But if you sit with food but with legs open, like many people are standing and eating, if you stand and eat, there are many negativities to this, because you must understand the longing for food is not just in your mouth, entire body is longing for it. Entire body. Well, people will say, oh, there is nothing scientific about it, is my navel longing for food, is my genitals longing for food? Yes, it is. You may not understand, every part of the body is longing for food, but it must go through this route, isn't it? Hello? Similarly, there are other kinds of longings in our body, they must go through the right route, then only life works out in a certain way, otherwise you will distort life. So keeping your legs crossed whenever you see a powerful form is a very important thing. And also food. Food is a very powerful thing. Hello? If you have not eaten for 3 days, you understand it's a very powerful thing, isn't it? Hello? It is a very powerful thing, and you will see if you have not eaten for 3 to 5 days, every cell in the body will long for food. Now if you place food here, it's not just here, mouth waters, everything works. So it's important that your legs are crossed when food comes in front of you, but you have found another way, shielding yourself with a table. All right, if that is working for you. But if you're having food, you're very hungry and food is exposed to the entire body, this is not good for you. This goes for food, because we consider food as a very powerful instrument, consecrated objects, and human beings who are of a certain power within themselves, you never open your legs and sit like this in front of them, because that will bring a wrong kind of energy into your system. I'm asking you, is it good to shit? Hello, I'm asking you a question. Yes. but it must come out of a certain part of your body. If it comes out from elsewhere, it will become terrible, isn't it? Hello? Similarly, food should go in a certain way. Food going in is not only physical food going in, food goes into you in so many ways because the entire body is capable of this. I must really need something like food or water, you will see every cell in the body will long for it. If you pay attention, you will see thirst is not just in your mouth, it's everywhere. So, the same goes not just for food, the same goes for other types of energy also. Every cell in the body longs for it. It's very important you receive it the right way. So whenever you feel there is a powerful place, it's always best to cross your legs and sit down if you're sitting there, not sitting like this. You will attract something that you don't need.